What up everyone, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to soft reset your iPhone 12. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue holding the lock button until your phone completely turns off and turns back on. Once you see the Apple logo, you can then release. Continue to hold. Also, you guys should subscribe to the channel. You can now release. And there you guys go. Your phone has been soft resetted.